Hi guys, welcome to LG ESMI. My name is Travis Mumaw. I'm the production part leader for the formation area. I've been at LG for 4 years now, and I started as an engineer, got introduced through my academics at the university, and let me show you guys what it's all about.
All good? Good.
Welcome to the formation area. As you can see, we got a ton of cells we have to deal with on a daily basis. So far in the formation area, we deal with about 1 million cells at a time. So lots of stuff to handle and about 110 people to do it with. So we got a lot to do. All right, now let's go downstairs and check some more stuff out. So the first step of the formation process, right when it comes out of packaging, is the aging area. In the aging area, it's where the saturation of the cell occurs, so it's got to sit, soak all the electrolyte up, and then get it ready to go get a charge. Oh hey, look who it is. One of our production supervisors, Almin. Say hi, Almin.
Hey, hi Travis, how you doing?
Good,
Man,
awesome.
you scared me.
Almin, what are you doing over here? You're in charge of logistics. No,
I know, I'm just checking lots to be able to ship. So a little bit about myself. I'm working at LG Energy Solution for 7 years. I am in charge of all the shipments after production. So everything getting out, that means it's being checked and making sure that everything is in the customer level, in high level, stay happy.
Yeah, pretty much just making sure all of our shipments get out on time and everyone's good to go up the stream of the process. So thank you, Almin. Let's go find someone else on our tour, guys.
Okay.
Thank you. Step 2 of the process is the degas area. So after it gets a little trickle charge and we do some testing, it's gonna get a gas pocket. So there's gonna be forming on the pouch and it's gonna expand a little bit when we need to get that gas out and then cut it off. Otherwise it could cause issues in the pack area and then potentially cause the cell to pop. Oh look, it's another supervisor for formation area. Hey Sean, how's it going?
Hey, pretty good. How about you?
What do you think is the #1 thing that we need to achieve our goals and everything in the formation area?
Maintaining staffing and production.
Awesome, Sean. Thank you very much. All right, guys, time to get back to work. Let's go. This is the 3rd step of the process, guys, the charge boxes. We've actually already been here once before, but this is where they're gonna get their final charge before they head to end of line. They're gonna go through a series of checks though, so let me show you guys what we got in store. So we got thousands and thousands of charge boxes here. Each one tests a cell individually through the channels, and you guys can check it out if you want to right here. A little noisy in the background here is our step 4 of our process. This is EOL. This is where the cell goes through a series of folding and then goes through visual and property inspections to be able to get a final product that we can send off to our pack or offsite warehouses. But that pretty much ends this tour. I'm really proud of the area, and so is the 110 employees that I have working with me. So thank you very much for coming. If you want to be participating or want to join the LG team, please reach out to our HR department or go online and do some research. Thank you everyone, and goodbye.